RIKE-990C-2 double-channel 5-axis acetate CNC machine. This machine is a dual-channel 5-axis CNC milling machine capable of synchronous processing of inner and outer contours. The processing speed is approximately 50 to 80 seconds per piece. The machine consists of 12 axes and is equipped with 12 sets of Yaskawa servo motors from Japan. All main axes are driven by motors, lead screws, and guide rails, ensuring safety and stability. It is equipped with a high-speed automatic tool changer for efficient and safe tool change. The machine has a tool reserve of 3 tools for inner contour and 12 tools for outer contour, allowing a total of 15 tools to be used. It can complete any complex design in a single operation. The machine features automatic feeding, simultaneous inner contour processing, saving time. On outer contour processing, it has automatic tool change functionality for outer contour processing, allowing for synchronized tool change. 5-axis linkage, C-axis can rotate 720 degrees. With automatic flipping function, able to process all tool paths in one go. It also has automatic material collection functionality, reducing manual material handling and preventing material loss.